Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Jay and Anna. I'm Jay.
And I'm Anna.
Today is a fun episode.
A very fun episode.
Because we're talking about something everyone has.
Free time.
Well, hopefully.
At least a little free time.
Many people can talk about work.
Many people can talk about school.
Many people can talk about their daily routine.
No problem.
But then somebody asks one simple question.
What do you do for fun?
And suddenly,
The brain goes completely blank.
exactly.
It happens to a lot of people.
Even though they have hobbies,
Movies,
music,
books,
sports,
gaming.
spending time with friends.
The answer is already there.
Today we're going to explore that question together.
And maybe discover some new ideas.
Ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, Anna.
Yes,
What do you do for fun?
honestly? Lots of things.
That's a very broad answer.
It's an honest answer.
Fair enough.
In my free time, I enjoy reading.
Nice.
I also listen to podcasts.
Same here.
And I love slow mornings.
With coffee?
Obviously.
I knew it.
What about you?
Movies.
That was quick.
I don't need time to think.
Clearly.
I'm a big fan of adventure movies.
That fits your personality.
I'll take that as a compliment.
You should.
I also enjoy music and long walks.
Interesting combination.
Fun is different for everyone.
Exactly.
Some people love adventure.
Some people love staying home.
Neither one is better.
It's all about what makes you happy.
So let's talk about weekends.
One of my favorite topics.
Really?
Absolutely.
What does a perfect weekend look like for you?
Nothing too exciting.
Go on.
Sleeping a little longer.
That's already a great start.
Then coffee.
Of course.
Then maybe a good book.
Sounds peaceful.
It is.
What about going out?
Sometimes.
Interesting.
But I don't need big plans every weekend.
I know what you mean.
What about you?
My weekends always begin the same way.
Uh-oh.
What?
That usually means a story.
It does.
Let's hear it.
Every Friday night I make a perfect plan.
A productive plan?
Very productive.
Okay.
Exercise.
Nice.
Read a book.
Very impressive.
Clean my room.
Wow.
Learn a new skill.
Ambitious.
Exactly.
And then?
Saturday arrives.
And?
Everything changes.
No way.
3 movies.
There it is.
A pizza.
Naturally.
A long nap.
Of course.
And suddenly it's Sunday evening.
I think many listeners understand that feeling.
Exactly.
Honestly, that doesn't sound terrible.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you ever feel guilty about relaxing?
Sometimes.
Same here.
But rest is important.
That's true.
People are busy all week.
Exactly.
Sometimes doing nothing is exactly what we need.
I like that.
Me too.
So relaxing can be fun too.
Definitely.
Good.
Why?
Because my weekend suddenly sounds productive.
Nice try.
Worth a shot. You know what else is interesting?
What?
People have very different ideas of fun.
That's true.
Some people love being outside.
And some people love staying home.
Which one are you?
Honestly? Both.
Good answer.
If the weather is nice, I enjoy being outside.
Doing what?
Walking in a park.
Nice.
Exploring a new area.
I like that too.
Even a short walk feels refreshing.
It keeps you active.
Exactly.
I'm a big fan of walking.
You're trying very hard to convince people.
Because nobody believes me.
Not after the movie section.
Fair enough.
What about rainy days?
That's different.
Very different.
Go on.
Blanket.
Nice.
Coffee.
Of course.
A good book.
Perfect weekend.
And I'm not leaving the house.
Not even for 5 minutes?
Not a chance.
I respect that.
What about sports?
I enjoy badminton.
Really?
Yes, really.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Sports can be fun because you're active.
And you're spending time with people.
Exactly.
So whether you're indoors or outdoors.
The important thing is enjoying yourself.
I couldn't agree more. Okay, let's talk about movies.
Finally.
What does that mean?
It means you've been waiting for this.
Maybe a little.
I'm shocked.
Nobody is shocked.
That's true.
I'm a big fan of adventure movies.
I can tell.
What kind of movies do you like?
Mostly comedies.
Good choice.
I like laughing.
That's a solid reason.
Life is serious enough sometimes.
That's a good point.
A funny movie can completely change my mood.
Same here.
Do you ever watch the same movie twice?
Twice?
Uh-oh.
More like 10 times.
No way.
Absolutely.
I don't have that level of commitment.
Some movies feel familiar.
Like visiting an old friend.
Exactly.
I understand that.
What about books?
Now we're talking.
I knew you'd say that.
I'm really into mystery books.
Trying to solve the mystery?
Every single time.
And do you solve it?
Almost never.
That's honest.
The author always wins.
Do you read every day?
I try to.
Same problem for everyone.
There are too many distractions.
Especially phones.
Exactly.
Music is different though.
How so?
You can enjoy music anywhere.
That's true.
While walking.
While cooking.
While working.
Even while cleaning.
Music makes everything a little better.
I agree.
It helps me relax.
And sometimes it gives you energy.
Exactly.
Different hobbies.
Different people.
Different answers.
And that's perfectly okay. You know what's fun sometimes?
What?
Trying something completely new.
I agree.
Even when you're not good at it.
Especially then.
Really?
There's less pressure.
Good point.
I have a story about that.
Let's hear it.
A while ago, I decided to bake a cake.
That sounds normal.
At first, yes.
Oh.
I found an easy recipe online.
Famous last words.
Exactly. Everything was going well.
And then?
I forgot one ingredient.
Important ingredient?
Very important.
No way.
The cake looked very strange.
Did it taste okay?
Surprisingly, yes.
That's a win.
Exactly.
I have a similar story.
With baking?
Absolutely not.
Good.
I tried learning guitar.
Really?
For about 3 weeks.
Longer than I expected.
Thank you. I think.
What happened?
My fingers hurt.
Normal.
The guitar sounded terrible.
Also normal.
Nothing sounded right.
That's part of learning.
I know that now.
Did you enjoy it?
Honestly, yes.
That's what matters.
Exactly.
Hobbies aren't exams.
That's a great line.
They're supposed to be fun.
You don't need to be the best.
You just need to enjoy it.
I couldn't agree more. You know what else people do for fun?
What?
Spend time with friends.
That's probably the most common answer.
And one of the best.
I agree.
Sometimes the activity doesn't even matter.
That's true.
You can just sit and talk.
And still have a great time.
Exactly.
Good company makes a difference.
What about gaming?
A lot of people enjoy it.
Do you play games?
Sometimes.
That's a dangerous answer.
Why?
Because sometimes means anything.
Fair point.
I mostly play on my phone.
Same here.
For 10 minutes.
And somehow it becomes an hour.
Every single time.
I know what you mean.
Before we finish today.
We have a few questions for you.
Question number 1.
What do you do for fun?
Question number 2.
What's your favorite hobby?
Question number 3.
What do you usually do on weekends?
Question number 4.
Do you prefer indoor or outdoor activities?
And one last question.
What's something new you'd like to try?
Take a moment and answer in English.
Even one sentence is enough.
That's how confidence grows.
Well, we talked about quite a lot today.
We really did.
Movies,
Books,
music,
sports,
gaming,
weekend activities,
trying new hobbies.
and spending time with friends.
The biggest lesson is simple.
Fun looks different for everyone.
Some people love adventure.
Some people love quiet weekends.
Neither answer is better.
They're just different.
And that's perfectly okay.
You don't need exciting hobbies.
You don't need perfect hobbies.
You just need something you enjoy.
That's what really matters.
Thank you so much for listening.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
And we hope you practiced some English too.
If you enjoyed listening, don't forget to subscribe.
And share this episode with a friend.
We'll be back very soon.
With another English conversation.
Until next time.
Keep practicing.
And keep having fun.
Bye everyone.
Bye.